Hello, Tom Frezza here from the Naval History and Heritage Command, and today we are again going to be cooking with history with a recipe out of the 1945 edition of the Cookbook of the United States Navy. And the recipe we'll be focusing on today is for creamed chicken. Now, going through this cookbook, one of the things that I've noticed is that there are a lot of creamed-based recipes, and especially creamed meats that go over toast or some sort of bread. And the creamed chicken is no different. And in fact, it's not just creamed chicken. The recipe is creamed chicken or turkey, so you could do this either way. And the recipe itself yields, the original recipe yields about 6 gallons of this mixture. We've scaled it way down so you can try this at home, so feel free to cook along with us. And a portion is approximately 6 to 8 ounces, approximately 1 cup. And again, that's out of 100 portions that go into this. But again, we've scaled it down, so feel free to try this at home. So we're going to go through the ingredients, tell you what it originally was, and then what the scaled down version is. So the first ingredient is chicken, cooked, which we have here ready to go. Originally 2 gallons, we'll be using about 6 cups. Next is chicken stock, originally 2 gallons. So the scaled down version is 6 cups. Then you have milk, liquid, originally 2 gallons. We'll be using 6 cups. Then you have fat, melted, originally 1 quart. We'll be using about 3/4 of a cup. Then flour, originally 1 quart. We'll be using 3/4 of a cup. Salt, originally 3 tablespoons. We'll be using 1 teaspoon. And then pepper, originally 1 tablespoon. We'll be using a pinch. So here is the makeup with all of these ingredients. Cut the chicken into 3/4 to 1 inch cubes, which we'll do. Combine chicken stock and milk. Heat to boiling temperature. Blend together fat and flour into a smooth paste, making a roux. Stir into stock. Cook, stirring constantly until thickened. Add chicken and reheat the chicken. Stir in salt and pepper. Note, 2 gallons turkey cooked and cubed may be used in place of chicken. And then here's the important note, number 2. Serve over split biscuits or cornbread, toast, cooked noodles, or cooked rice. We'll be serving it over toast today. So, we're going to get into this recipe, and if you served in the Navy, think about all of the creamed dishes that you've had, and let us know in the comments below. But we're going to get into this recipe and see how it turns out. Well, our creamed chicken is done. We've put it on our U.S. Navy mess trays along with some roasted potatoes and roasted Brussels sprouts, both of which are actually in the 45 U.S. Navy cookbook. And as you can also see, our chicken is there on top of toast. Now, it's not really the tastiest looking meal, but let's give it a try and see how it actually is. It's not that bad. It's the cream sauce on it it's a little buttery, and it is creamy, which is good, and the chicken was cooked great, and I think having it on the toast really helps out. So it's not a bad dish. So I suggest you try it out. It may not be the first on your list, but definitely give it a try. It's another fantastic recipe out of the 1945 edition of the Cookbook of the United States Navy. If you're interested in learning more, please visit the website of the Naval History and Heritage Command, history.navy.mil, and we'll see you at our next cooking lesson.